पार्टी विथ अ डिफरन्स म्हणपी भाजपान श्यामाप्रसाद मुखर्जी स्टेडियमात जाल्ल्या सोपुतविधी सुवाळ्याक 5.5 कोटी रुपयाचो धूप केला. आरटीआय वरवीं मेळिल्ल्या म्हायती प्रमाण 18 मिनिटांच्या ह्या सुवाळ्याक 5.5 कोटी रुपया मोडिल्ल्याचे दिसून आयला. आदोगाद आयरिश रॉड्रिक्सान ही म्हायती उक्ताडार हाडल्या.
Information obtained by me under the Right to Information Act from the General Administration Department of the Goa government has revealed that the Goa government spent a whopping over 5.5 crores on the swearing-in ceremony of Chief Minister Pramod Sawant and his 8 ministers, which was held at the Bambolim Stadium on the 20th of March. It is very disturbing that a perusal of all those documents received by me revealed that the whole process was not transparent and there was no accountability. The whole contract was given to an event management company from Vasco. This is an unacceptable position, whichever way we look at it, because people's money has to be spent judiciously. You cannot be squandering people's money, and 5.5 crores on a function which lasted less than 18 minutes is totally unacceptable. So this whole thing has to be inquired into. I will ask the concerned authorities, the CAG, to please probe and scrutinize all the bills given by this company and whether such a huge expense could have been incurred when the Goa state exchequer is totally bankrupt. Mischief, political mischief by the Goa government just to make some money even in its first day in office. This is a criminal waste of taxpayers' money which is not permissible. So a total inquiry into all this will reveal